Look at this gorgeous fleur-de-lis, and we are going to make an amazing mesh wreath starting with a work form and some 21-inch mesh that we're going to loop around starting from the inside ring, and we're going to go about 10-inch poofs. Now when I start my mesh, I make sure that the factory edges are curled under so that my poof forms itself without me putting too much extra work into it. So we're just going to go that all the way around until you get to where you started from. And when I put it at the end, I untwist the ties. I'm going to go straight down rather than cut it. And now for the outer ring, I'm going to do 12-inch poofs in the same way. Curl those factory edges underneath and loop your 12 inches, making sure that all your poofs are the same height. And we're going to go all around with that. We're going to be adding lots of fun things to this wreath. And once we are done with our mesh, I am adding some zip ties on the wreath, and I'm making sure that they coincide with the brackets so they can hold themselves down, and securing them with an extra zip tie. This is allowing me to make the wreath a little bit more oval rather than just round. I'm going in with a 10-inch mesh cut at about 20 inches. Mine has a few different colors, so I chose to have the gold sticking up and the purple coming in. And I'm going to do the Cruffles all the way around, again making sure that we maintain the roundness of our wreath. And these 20 inches Cruffles are going to go on the outer edges. The mesh and the work form can be found on Nick's Seasonal Decor, and I'm going to put the link below for you. I do have an affiliate. I appreciate if you use my link. And you can get lots of more beautiful stuff. Just check it out. For the inner ring, we are going in with the same mesh, cut at about 15 inches, so a little shorter than before, using the same Cruffle where you curl in both ends and then scrunch a little bit in the center. And make sure you go all the way around and fill every one of your twist ties. Because I'm using a very large attachment, I chose not to put ribbon tails on the inner ring, so I just went in and tucked in all our twist ties. This is the bow we're going to use, but this is the beautiful fleur-de-lis with a gorgeous colorful mask. And these are the ribbon tails cut at 13 inches. I chose a 2.5 inch and a 1.5 inch, and I'm going on the outside twist ties. So they're going to make a nice edge all around our attachment and our bow. The zip ties that I originally put in the wreath was not only to make my wreath a little bit more oval, but also to hold the attachment, because the one I'm using, it is pretty large. And the fleur-de-lis attachment is available in my shop. I will put the link below. So there it is. Look at that beauty. So we are going to twist it in, make sure we are tying. I put like 4 different ways to attach it so that we secure it. We're going in with our bow, making sure that the bow is on the inside of our wreath so that we maintain the shape. And once the bow is in, we are going to fluff it up, cut those tails so we are not covering our attachment, And this is it, friends, a beautiful mesh wreath with ribbon tails and a gorgeous attachment. If you like the finished product, it's also available in my shop, and I will put the link below. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.